Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I have a 2021 Toyota Camry and I have some issue with my remote. It's not working. I think I need to change the battery. So let's change it. Guys, in order to change this remote batteries, I think I need to pry it open from here, from this corner. If you can clearly see, there's something like a notch to pry it on. And you need these batteries 2032 and probably one of these flathead screwdriver is going to help me to pry it on. So let's see how it goes. I don't know if you can clearly see it. Yeah, so it's open now. This is one part, this is another part. I'm gonna put it on the side. As you can see, the positive direction is on top, so you need to remember that. And take a small screwdriver, take out the batteries like this. Okay, these are the old one. Now I'm gonna put the new batteries here. So these are the new batteries that I had. Just gonna clean it one time so there's no oils or anything on it, and then just push it and press it, and then put this thing on top. Before you want to close it, you want to see how it's working, so I'm gonna check it. Alright guys, so it's working right now. I put the batteries in, I already tested. It's working great, so I'm just gonna put this cap back on, and then this guy, and you gotta be careful when you're putting this back. Just wanna make sure each single of these grooves are catching, and then you just need to press it. Check if the keys are coming out. Everything working great. Thanks for watching.